Alright my friends, thanks for stopping by. These are the original WinDancers here, brand new fresh set. We are at the office park spot as you're about to see, and you can no longer find these. You can only find the Popo versions, and they have slightly different numbers. I have a different quad with those props on there. Same quad, second one, with those props on there. So we're going to do somewhat of a comparison. Alright, enough blabbing. Hope everybody's well. Let's rip. Bent the prop. Guess I hit that pole back there. Bent that prop good. I don't know how much left in this pack. Again, this is my second quad. Everything really is identical for this test, other than these are the new WinDancers. All right, let's check them out. the difference. I can't tell the difference. This transmitter though, this VTX, I feel much more confident with. However, the antenna was chopped, but and the VTX is a tramp also. I just have the TBS lollipop on there, and it's the UFL soldered on. Nobody cares about this shit. I'm gonna stop talking. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed stopping by. Check out the LA River right there. That's what that is. I hope you guys enjoyed stopping by. Remember, only together we fly. That's how we get this done. Thank you for everybody who watches these videos, and I hope everybody's staying safe and staying happy. Hope to catch you in the next one.